See if you can guess what kind of modification I made to the Mustang.
You mean modification? What you do? Let me see. Inside or outside?
Some outside shit, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God!
What's going on, man? Big install being done today by yours truly. So you don't want to miss this. I've been waiting for weeks for this package to come in the mail, so I finally got it. It's time to put that work in. I don't care how long it takes. I'm not giving up. I gotta install this myself, man. No help, just me, blood, sweat, and tears. I got all my tools together, so it's time to put this work in, man. Stay tuned. Alright, man, so obviously that install went a lot easier than you thought it was gonna go. But all jokes aside, I really did lock in a major modification to the Mustang. It's gonna be getting installed next week, so they're gonna have to keep my car for about 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So hopefully either Wednesday afternoon or Thursday morning I should have a crazy video for you guys, so stay tuned. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think this mod is gonna be. It could be anything, so drop that comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Good, man. Why you trying to look all swole, man? What's that shirt about? You ain't got no job. Oh, man. Listen, I need you to do me a favor, man.
Nah, come on. You've been working me since I've known you. You know that, right?
But listen,
every time I come here, let's get this on camera. Every time I come here, you always work me. You had me cleaning your basketball court. I had to clean up by the barbecue area. I don't get paid for any of this, by the way. Listen. Just so the people at the house notice. So now you had me moving some stuff in the front yard. I took a fence down for you. What was that? That gate? What was that gate thing that we took down? Remember that? You see all this work?
Are you done complaining? You done?
What's up?
Now listen, man. I just need you to guess what modification I just made to the Mustang.
Okay.
By just looking at it. I just need you to figure it out on your own, man.
Oh,
you can look all around the car.
It's easy. You did the ceramic coat.
Nah, you
did the ceramic coat already.
Nah, that was the first video, man. You way behind. We been did that. That's been done. Try again.
Modification? Inside, outside. Give me that.
It's gonna be outside. It's gonna be outside. You know what I'm saying? It's an easy one for you to figure out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, you struggling. You struggling, man. It's real easy. You know what I'm saying?